Good day everyone, my name is Philip Kane Brutas and today I'm going to show you how to make an bootable flash drive. So first step, you're gonna search for command prompt. Next, you're gonna type this part. After you type this part, you're going to put this disk. Then you're going to select the disk that you're going to choose. So I will select disk 1. After that, you're going to type clean in order to clean your flash drive. Then next, going to type create partition primary. Okay. Then after, we're going to type select partition 1. Next, you're going to put format fs equals nstf ntfs quit. After that, you're going to wait till it's fully completed. Now it's done. We're going to type active and then exit. So that's all. Thank you.